Morning, baby girl. How are you? Hey, what are you screaming at? Are you mad at me for trying to sleep in? Yeah? What are you doing, you crazy? Hey, no screaming. Good morning. You fly over here to say good morning? Good birdie, good birdie. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Yeah? You little ray of sunshine? Good morning, Elmo. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. Elmo loves her goldfish, her crayons too. That's Elmo's world. Ha ha ha. Good morning. Good morning. You fly all the way here to check on me again? You're such an early birdie. I have to get out of bed, get your cage ready. I go back to get a sleep in a little bit, and then you're like, nope. And you gotta go check on me. You're a silly girl, you know that? Yeah, silly girl. Love you too. I love you. Yeah, I know. Love you too. Good birdie, good birdie, good birdie. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. All right. Love you, sweetheart.